So welcome to the messaging campaign model. We are going to talk about how you organize so that you can execute. This is equally important information if you are a one-person shop or you are a one division internal communications department. Everybody who's ever been in internal comms understands that you are catching balls all the time from every possible direction. We're going to try and minimize the amount of attention you have to pay to pop fly balls. That's my sports reference for the day. And to allow you to have a plan in place that will suit you moving forward, whether you have emergency information to share or not. First of all, a general overview of the steps, what it means to assess, assign, plot, and organize and execute. Then we'll talk about the tools, and these tools are tools that you're already familiar with. We're talking about the communications policy, we're talking about the content calendar, and then we're going to dive into the campaign that utilizes those tools in order to kind of create its foundation.